Let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly to Nothing Phone 3. So we're gonna go to Settings, let's open Settings, and then let's proceed to Connected Devices. Over here, of course, we can find devices that we have been connected to in the past, as well as the device that we are connected to right now. Now, if you cannot connect to the device right now, even though you have been connected to the device before, what you can do is you can simply go to the settings of the device, you can forget it, and then try to pair again. And if you are already connected, you can of course do the same thing. However, if you are connected but they seem to be not working, you can check if the media output is set up correctly. So we can go to sound and vibration. Over here we have audio will play on, and we can make sure that our Bluetooth device is selected over here. Now, besides that, let's go back to this and to these settings. And in addition to that, if you forget the device and now you cannot pair it, what you can do is you can simply close your Bluetooth device. You want to turn it off. Then we're gonna go to connection preferences and open Bluetooth over here, and we can turn off Bluetooth and then turn Bluetooth back on. And once the Bluetooth is enabled again, we can turn our Bluetooth device back on as well. And then you might be able to reconnect or pair the device. Now, in addition to that, if we go to pairing your device, of course, here we have our list, so you don't have to go back to all these previous settings, previous pages. But if none of this really works, what you can also do is you can simply go back to the main page of settings and scroll all the way down. Then we're going to go to System, and after that you should be able to go to Reset Options, and you can reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, you will have to reset both. You cannot separate it. So if you decide to reset Bluetooth, you will also forget all Wi-Fi networks. So remember to reconnect not only to all your Bluetooth devices, but also to your Wi-Fi networks. And that's pretty much everything that we can do on this phone. Also, keep in mind that, for example, if your Bluetooth device is not detectable on the list of available devices over here, and it was, for example, connected to any other device before, and you don't have pairing mode available, you cannot put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode, then you may need to hard reset your Bluetooth device. So you will need to check out, for example, the instructions, the manual, etc., how to do that, how to factory reset the Bluetooth device. And once that is done, you might be able to connect on your phone again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.